Good morning all. Welcome to today's maths class. Now today we can discuss the next questions, the next exercise questions from exercise 2.2. Which is the next question we want to discuss, that is question number 15. That only two questions, 15 and 16. Okay, that two questions we can discuss together. So read the question, 15th question, read out of your page. Question is this: I have a total of 300 rupee coins of denominations 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. The number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denominations are with me? That is the question. So, when you read this question, we can find out. First question, what is given? I have a total of 300 rupees. And which currency notes I have? 1 rupee coins and 2 rupee and 3 rupee, 5 rupee coins are there. And it is given the number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. Okay, so what we can take it as the variable, the number of which coins we can take it as the number of 5 rupee coins. If we take that, the number of 5 rupee coins. Number of 5 rupee coins we can take it as x. Then what will be the number of 2 rupee coins? What is the relation connect? The number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. Okay. So what we can write? The number of 2 rupee coins equal how much? 3 times. So 3x. Okay. Then one more is there. 1 rupee coin is also there. But it no connection, it is not given. How it is related with 5 rupee and 5 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins, how it related, that is not given. But here it is given. When you read its last, you can given the total number of coin is given. How many total coins are there? Number of coin is given, 160 coins are there. So how we can take? Then what will be the number of 1 rupee coins? Then number of 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins equal from the total 160. From the total number 160, when we subtract these two numbers, then we will get the number of 1 rupee coins. Is it clear? Total number of coin is given 160. So number of 5 rupee coins we take it as x, and the number of 2 rupee coins it will be 3x. So then the number of 1 rupee coins will be 160 minus the total of these two, 3x plus x. That means 160 minus 4x will be the number of 1 rupee coins. Next, from the number of coins we can find out what will be the amount get from each coins. If the number of 5 rupee coins, what will be the amount get from this 5 rupee coins? Next, we can find out the amount from each coins. So the amount from 5 rupee coins, how it will be? It will be 5 into x or 5x. Okay, just like the amount from 2 rupee coins will be what? The number of 2 rupee coins we take it as 3x. So the amount will be 2 into, this is the currency is 2, that multiply with the number 3x. So it will be 6x. Just like the amount from 1 rupee coins will be what? It will be currency, if it is 1, we can multiply with 1. 1 into what? 160 minus 4x. This is the amount get from each coins. Okay. Then what is? Again we know the total rupees we have. I have how much? 300 rupees. So how we can equate, how we can form that equation? Just like first question, yesterday's question we solved same like. So it is given, what is given? The amount of these total is given 300 rupees. Is it 300? Yes, 300. So what we can write? 5x plus 6x plus 1 into 160 minus 4x will be what? The same. 160 minus 4x, that is given how much? 300 rupees. Okay, then simplify. 5x plus 6x 11x. 11x minus 4x, it will be 7x. Okay, plus 160 equal 300. That means 7x equal 300 minus 160, it will be 140. Okay, so what we can write, x will be equal to, therefore x equal 140 by 7, it will be 140 by 7, it will be 20. Now we find out the value of x. What we take it as the variable x? It is the number of 5 rupee coins. Is it a number of 5 rupee coins? We take it as x. Therefore, number of 5 rupee coins equal 20. Just like number of 2 rupee coins. 2 rupee coins, what we take it as a substitute? 3x. So 3 into 20, it will be 60. Just like what is the number of 1 rupee coins? 1 rupee coins, we take it as, its number we took it as how much? 160 minus 4x. We got it as 160 minus 4x. Is it a 4? How much? 4 into x value we know, that is 20. 4 into 20. That means 160 minus 80. That's equal to 80. So total how many 5 rupee coins are there? 25 rupee coins are there. How many 2 rupee coins are there? 62 rupee coins. And how many 1 rupee coins? It is 81 rupee coins. Clear? Then if you have any doubt, one more, watch this video again, and if you have doubt, you can call me. Okay, next question. One more question we can. This is the last question from that exercise question. So we discussed all exercise question from this section. Next question is, the organizer of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of 100 rupees. Okay, and a participant who does not win gets a prize of 25 rupees. Okay, the total prize money distributed is 3000 rupees. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. That's the question. All of you read the question. Then first we can take this, the prize money distributed to winners, that is given. How much? If we take the number of winners as x, first we can take the number of winners as x. Then what will be the number of losers? That means who does not win, that we can take it as losers. How we can find out the number of losers? Because here it is given, the total participants is given. How much total participants is given? 63. So the number of losers will be 63 minus x. First we can take, let winners, number of winners we can take it as x. So therefore the number of losers is equal to, how we can find it? For that one clue is given, the total participants is given 63 participants. So 63 minus x, it will be 63 minus x. Then for those who win, what is the prize money got for them? 100 rupees. And for the losers, the prize money it is 25 rupees. And the total money distributed is given 3000 rupees. So how we can equate? Then it is given. Otherwise, first we can, one more step we can add. The prize money distributed to, winners. Prize money distributed to winners will be 100 into x, that means 100x, because each winners they are given 100 rupees. So the total prize money distributed to the winners will be 100 into x. Just like the prize money distributed to losers is equal to how much? This is the number of losers, 63 minus x. So for each one how much rupees is given? 25. So that multiply with 25. And also it is given, the total prize money distributed is given how much? 3000 rupees. So how we can, the sum of these two? The sum of these two will be 3000. So we can make that equation. Given, what is given? 100x plus 63 minus x into 25. That is given how much? 3000 rupees. So we can simplify 100x plus 63 into 25 by multiplication. We will get 1575 minus 25x. That 25 multiplied with x, that's equal to 3000. Okay. And again we can simplify the like terms. 100x minus 25x. What will be 100x minus 25x is 75x plus 1575 equal 3000. That means 75x equal to 3000 minus 1575. So after simplification we will get 75x equal, it is, we will get 1425, or x equal to 1425 divided by 75. Its value we will get as 19. So what do you want to find out? What is the total prize winning? Find the number of winners. So we take it as the number of winners as x. So here only you want to find out the number of winners x, that is we got it as 19. So this exercise question we completed these two questions, and next class onwards we can start the next part of this, solving equations having the variable on both sides. Okay, thank you.